Hello everyone, I am Navika Arora from Grade 8 Lotus Valley International School, Gurugram. India's journey from 1947 to 2024 is a remarkable story of transformation and growth. Today, we, the most developed nations or the developing ones, all of them understand India's potential. As the country celebrates its 78th Independence Day, it's clear that India has made tremendous progress in various fields. In space exploration, ISRO's achievements have been groundbreaking, including becoming the first nation to land on Moon's south pole with Chandrayaan 3 and launching its first dedicated sun-observing spacecraft, Aditya L1. In healthcare, India has made significant strides in public health, launching ambitious initiatives and reducing the incidence of deadly diseases through better treatments, medicines, and technology. In sports, India has won numerous accolades, including Cricket World Cup in 1983, 2011, and 2024. The Indian hockey team has won the highest number of gold medals in Olympics, a feat unmatched by any other country. India has also founded the Asian Games, the world's second largest sporting event. Our country has emerged as a global leader in IT services with a thriving startup ecosystem and renowned institutes like IITs and IIMs, producing world-class engineers, scientists, and managers. These accomplishments demonstrate India's potential, making it a nation admired by the world. As India continues to evolve, its progress is a source of pride and joy for its citizens, showcasing the country's ability to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing world. With its rich history, diverse culture, and innovative spirit, India is poised for continued success and growth in the years to come. As India continues to rise as a global power, I hope for sustained economic growth, bridging the gap between urban and rural development. I envision a future where technology and innovation drive progress, creating opportunities for all. I hope for investments in education and healthcare, empowering citizens to reach to their full potential. Environmental sustainability and renewable energy should become a priority, ensuring a greener future. With inclusive policies and social cohesion, India can become a beacon of hope for the world, showcasing a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. A bright future awaits, and I am optimistic about our India's prospects. Thank you.